What's up? Just did my GlidePro fairing, cafe fairing install on my 2009 Heritage Softail Classic. Fairly simple. Love the process. Jake and Deb are great to deal with. I really enjoyed buying the product. I think the price is very fair. Shipping was fair. I really enjoyed it. So Glide Pro. Um, Great company. I mean, who doesn't love to support America? America. Um, Install, slightly, maybe a 3 out of 5. Not terribly difficult. Instructions were a little different. I don't know if different years have different types of mounts, um, but I had to kind of modify the instruction part. But I'll show you here. Yeah, so um, came with everything, instructions. I'll load up a couple pictures, but instructions, a couple stickers, their catalog. It was packaged very nice. Um, I will say maybe critique of the paint doesn't match 100%. It's Harley paint, tough to match. It's got a little more purple than blue in it, but overall I'm pretty pleased. So here's the fairing on the bike. I do have retained the triple headlight there. So it's kind of cool. They put dimples to compensate there. You can kind of see a little bit of the color offage there. Not terrible. Really not enough to complain about a ton. Mounts right to the stock windshield mounts. This is kind of where I had to do a little bit of my own thing. They wanted me to remove everything, insert everything into the bracket, then reinstall. Didn't work that way for me. I just kind of loosened everything, dropped the triple light, and put it in there. Love the height of the windshield. Right at the bottom of my bars. Yeah, great quality. Good stuff. Good stuff. Thank you, GlidePro.